Umati rama jangka jala konrat sangma mantakasni arhoi tarik unailar arjar arfau ulalum ya ke jalang jangki kanyongot ke emeli ke bahap apa ke Iskasil district yakni ke jalang laplang hapo auditorium hall jangka miss secretariat hakani ke jalang hakabala dan bun ke emeli naka Iskasil district asyim ya ke rai baki emeli kin syim ya ke jangki kli nakam taban tau ya ki committee halak ke jangki konsensi da kabaya penbek bat ki covid management committee ke bedan hakisnong ki baper Habikan bagi lapat khubor konrat sangma ulong bakani kejeng IT ya kemeli nakam taban sim ya kejeng kekli ban penbet dan ban pe du ya kabit kabyang hakabedi bakajeng la persya ya kejeng pang covid kan khandai kanyarap sibun ya kesorkar nakabanta bagi nami khmat pai baru ken sim lang ya kejeng kekli hakabapet bakani kejeng pang kanamde ban sapang satya syaki pai ba konrat long ba ya kini competition ka sorkar ka sapen mi da hukum hakabaki emeli kila menyesong menyeperkhat lengba jong ini ki committee.
Yeah, we had a meeting today of all the MLAs from East Khasi Hills, including Shillong City, and most of the MLAs have attended. It was a very positive meeting where we have discussed in detail all the aspects of the situation of COVID-19, and I'm thankful to all the MLAs for giving a lot of positive suggestions. There were also some issues that they have raised. We have taken note of all those issues, and we will be acting on them accordingly. At the same time, we have also decided that we will be putting up committees at the constituency level. So this will be a committee that will be headed by the MLAs, who will then coordinate with the rest of the COVID management committees which fall within their constituencies, so that proper coordination takes place between the different COVID management committees and the district administration and the blocks and the departments concerned. So therefore, this was the major decision that took place. This exercise will be again conducted in different parts of the state, in other districts also. So we will be sending other cabinet ministers who will be visiting other districts and taking up the matter and sharing the same concerns that were there. At the same time, we have asked the different committees and the different MLAs also that in the long run we need to also look at the entire aspect and the kind of impact COVID-19 could have in the state, and in that aspect we have looked at the options on how we could sensitize people to look at home quarantines wherever it's possible, even in positive cases. Also to look at the possibility of having community corona centers wherever it's possible, in line with the obviously the community and the local leaders, and obviously looking at also the aspect of enhancing the different corona centers and beds in different districts of the state. So I think that is also a very important part, and we have discussed that. And apart from that, as I said, MLAs raised a lot of different issues, and we've taken note of that, and we'll take positive steps in all of them.